Okay, we got in the mail today our diesel heater. I'll do a little unboxing. It's just the one off of eBay, one of many knockoff diesel heaters. There we go. Got it opened up. Right on the top, we've got diesel tank. Looks pretty good. Spots for us to mount it to a wall. Lots of spots where to pull it out from. Nice. And then after that, we've got the muffler. Directions book. This will come in handy. Here we have the plate that goes on the floor, the wall, wherever you have it, where the exhaust goes through. What do we got here? I'm assuming this is the heater itself because it's heavy. Let's just move this out of the way for a minute. And that is exactly what's in here. So we have the heater. We have here the wall mount for the thermostat. I don't know if that's upside down. Nope, that's the right way. And remote control. That'll come in handy. Turn it on from outside. Here's the heater unit itself. A lot nicer than some of the ones we looked at before. I'm hoping I'm able to mount this on the side of the wall inside the camper. Draws air in one end, blows it out the other end. Power connection. On the bottom you have your diesel, your exhaust, and your air intake. We will read the directions before I get carried away. The brand says Vivor or Vevor car parking heater, diesel, 12 volt, 40 watt, 8 kilowatt power, heating power. That should be plenty enough. And the final box in there, I'm assuming, is all the fun stuff for hooking it up. There we go. The air hose for the air going out. You got vent ends if you're going to put it out however you want to do it. You got a T here going in different directions. Fuel line here, which is not the fuel line I was hoping to see, but this does look better than some that I have seen. There's your wiring harness, plug and play. Assuming that's the pump. There's the power connection. I have no idea what that is. Bag full of parts, there's a filter, all the wire ties, hose clamps, everything. This will be the air intake line for the fresh air for the burner, and this will be the exhaust line. That's it. Pretty basic. They look very easy to install, and they look really reliable. I guess we'll find out. So there we have it. All the parts, all the pieces, the heater, the thermostat. I'm very excited about this thermostat and this remote control. That's exciting. Everything all here. And we'll start installing it this week. Stay tuned. That video will be coming up as well.